Today we're going to learn how to write a barcode scan configuration. A barcode scan configuration is used for quickly setting up a handheld barcode reader to your custom configuration settings without having to open the software each time. With DataLogic software, they have made it really simple to set up a barcode scan configuration. Okay, let's go through the step-by-step process on how to set up our custom configuration. First, let's go to Expert Mode. Let's go down to Code Selection. So today we're going to be customizing a data matrix code and a code 39. Click on Data Matrix. Let's put this on a fixed count. 1, 2, 15. And let's say we just want to be able to read a square style data matrix code. Next, let's go to code 39. Let's put this also on a fixed variable length. Let's cut that down to 20. Next, let's go to reading parameters. I want the LED good read indication light, the green spot light, to be long. Go back and expand this reading parameters. I want to go to my beeper settings next. I want this to be a monotone beep, and for a good read I want the volume to be high, and I want the frequency of the beep to be high as well. Now that we've customized each of our barcodes in our reading parameters, we're now ready to get our barcodes for our custom scan configuration. All we have to do is come over here and print on the data matrix barcode labels. In this window is our custom barcode scan configuration. Every change we made in the software is in this window. The barcodes are printed in order of how to scan to set up for your custom configuration. By having a scan configuration, you do not have to go back into software each time when setting up a new handheld barcode reader. Barcode scan configuration makes it quick and simple to set up a handheld barcode reader.